Dr. Shyama Prasad University, an institution where we celebrate new learnings, change management, and growth. Envision of a learning environment that fosters a culture of academic rigor and inquiry, preparing students to excel in a competitive global landscape. A place where you become a successful management graduate and an entrepreneur. A place to discover your passion and the pathway to achieve excellence. Dr. Shyama Prasad University, ranked among the top universities of Jharkhand, grow in the most rapidly emerging, burgeoning real estate sector with IREED Academy. Dr. Shyama Prasad University, in association with IREED Academy, has thoughtfully curated a future roadmap with a lucrative job offer letter.